Hello guys, welcome to another video. Vivo is looking to up its game by bringing some huge improvements in cameras and in the 5G smartphone segment by launching Vivo X50 series in China on 1st of June. The Chinese smartphone maker has already confirmed that the X50 series will be the first to feature this new gimbal camera tech. Apart from the main gimbal camera, the phone will also feature 3 other camera sensors including a periscope lens. More on this gimbal camera tech will be explained in the latter part of this video. We also have a leaked image coming from a presentation revealing most of the key specifications of the upcoming X50 Pro. A bunch of other pictures of the official design schematics of the X50 Pro have also surfaced online, giving us a full-blown look at the phone. Now going into the full specifications, the Vivo X50 Pro is expected to feature a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus 2400 x 1080 pixels display that uses an OLED panel with a single punch hole cutout on the front for the selfie camera. The screen features a 90Hz refresh rate as well. It is confirmed to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset and is paired with 8GB of RAM and 128 and 256GB storage options to choose from. Furthermore, this will come with dual mode 5G, that is both SA and NSA network modes. Now coming to the focus of this phone, the cameras. This device will come with a quad camera setup. Vivo has already confirmed to feature a new gimbal camera tech which is set to provide beefed up optical stabilization. Also, the tilt angles are 3 times than that of the traditional OIS. The main benefit of this micro gimbal camera is obviously the more powerful optical stabilization, especially when shooting videos in low light conditions. The combination of the dual axis micro gimbal and 3-axis electronic stabilization vastly reduces shakiness. Likewise, still photos apparently work a lot better in the dark as well thanks to this technology. Apart from the main gimbal camera, the phone will also feature 3 other camera sensors, that is the custom-made Sony IMX598 48MP main camera, an 8MP periscope telephoto shooter, another 13MP camera with 2x optical zoom for proper portrait shots, and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera. The front camera will be a 32MP sensor housed inside a single punch hole setup. The phone will arrive with a 4315mAh battery supporting 33W fast charging. Vivo will also bring NFC to the X50 Pro for payments like the company's in-house platform Vivo Pay and some basic connectivity. Right now the estimated price is Yuan 3998, that's around $560 or 505 euros or 42,300 rupees. Although we don't know whether this is for the max, RAM and storage variant or the base variant. So that's it for now. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.